We call Thriive a microsystem software because essentially that's what it does. It enables you to locate hidden and trending audiences, the kind of audiences that pretty much nobody else knows about. They have very little competition. The software allows you to discover those audiences and then create a micro super business around that audience. Now, some of these audiences last forever, some of them don't. But the beauty of this system is that you can do it in record time. Like I said, many of these audiences are completely underserved. Very few people know about them, so the competition is very, very low, which means you can rank, you can acquire organic traffic, and of course with Thriive, you can use the syndication. So let me take you through the steps quickly. First of all, it's about dropping in a keyword. So you drop in a keyword, you can find the hidden audiences. The best way of doing that is to look for what's trending right now based on the idea that you had originally. So you can see here that these audiences are trending up. You pick one of the audiences and then you create a mini site around that audience. So you find the audience, you create a microsite, Thriive hosts it for you, and then with Thriive you generate the content. Now the content is used to attract and target your audience. And then once you have that content and once you have that audience clicking through to your hub, then you can convert those visitors into profit. So just to recap, Thriive will allow you to find hidden audiences. Some of these are evergreen and they can generate results for months, even years. There's little to no competition in some of these sectors. Once you find the audience that you want to use, simply create your microsystem hub, which targets the audience, then monetize, and then send the traffic with syndication. The syndication is just a start. As you can imagine, because of the low competition in most of these sectors, then your hubs will start to rank very, very quickly without any work on your part.